It appears that this dump truck inadvertently lost approximately 40 kilograms of iron along its route, highlighting the importance of properly securing heavy loads. Today, that utility pole has endured multiple collisions, underscoring the critical need for clear signage and traffic calming measures to protect roadside infrastructure. The driver must have felt completely helpless when his windshield became obscured by mud, reminding us of the necessity for regular maintenance and caution when driving in adverse conditions. During a controlled obstacle course test, the tractor unit lost stability, demonstrating the importance of thorough driver training and vehicle handling assessments in experimental trials. This tow truck attempted to pass through an undersized tunnel while towing a taller vehicle, providing a stark lesson in verifying clearance heights before transit. The truck's extremely worn tires failed to grip the dry pavement, causing it to slide down a slope, shatter its windshield, and stall. This incident emphasizes the safety imperative of replacing tires at the first sign of significant wear. A cabin fire, likely originating from the fuel tank, engulfed this heavy-duty truck. This unfortunate event illustrates why fire suppression systems and regular inspections of fuel lines are essential for preventing on-road fires. Despite sustaining substantial damage, the white car continued pushing the vehicle ahead, highlighting the need for prompt assessment of collision impacts and immediate safety responses. A flaming bottle was thrown from a room and landed beneath the car. An elderly gentleman's attempt to extinguish it with his foot proved ineffective, whereas a later, more appropriate method successfully prevented a vehicle fire, demonstrating the value of proper firefighting equipment and training. A three-wheeler stalled in the center of the roadway, and the trailing truck only recognized the obstruction at the last moment, illustrating the importance of maintaining safe following distances and effective lighting on slow-moving vehicles. As a truck lightly struck the corner of a boulder, the rock fractured and scattered debris onto the roadway, underlining the necessity of effective route hazard assessment and vehicle control in mountainous areas. A worker precariously balanced on the edge of an excavator cabin, highlighting the critical need for strict adherence to fall protection protocols and the use of proper safety harnesses. Due to a steep roadside ditch, the car rolled backward and collided with a motorcycle, demonstrating why secure braking systems and awareness of road gradients are vital for vehicle safety. A water-spraying truck fortuitously encountered a burning car and utilized its onboard system to extinguish the flames, showcasing how multi-purpose equipment can serve as an emergency response tool. When a truck caught fire on the highway, several motorists collaborated using water bottles to douse the flames. This incident underscores the effectiveness of community assistance and the benefit of carrying basic fire suppression supplies. The truck on the right failed to yield at an intersection, nearly causing a collision with the red vehicle. Drivers must always observe right-of-way rules to avoid dangerous maneuvers. While While the traffic signal transitioned from yellow to red and the white car stopped as required, the truck driver did not heed the light change and could not brake in time, illustrating the importance of attentive signal compliance. Two forklifts performed a coordinated maneuver to load into the back of a truck, demonstrating efficient teamwork and precise operational planning in warehouse logistics. The SUV driver executed an unsafe lane change and will be held fully accountable, reinforcing that adherence to lane-changing regulations is crucial for preventing avoidable accidents. A three-wheeled vehicle proceeded against traffic and ignored a red light, forcing a bus to perform an emergency stop. This scenario highlights the importance of observing traffic signals and right-way rules. A dairy cow climbed onto a truck's cabin on its own, denting the structure and shattering the windshield. This unusual occurrence emphasizes the need for secure livestock containment when transporting animals. The truck driver was unaware of his severely deteriorated rear tire until notified. By then, the tire had completely failed, underscoring the importance of routine tire inspections. This warehouse incident created a profoundly alarming situation, serving as a reminder that workplace safety audits and hazard identification are essential. The lead vehicle changed lanes without sufficient clearance, illustrating the necessity of verifying blind spots and signaling intentions before maneuvering. Applying excessive throttle under these conditions exacerbates the problem. Drivers should modulate acceleration to maintain traction and control. The cargo arrangement in this video is dangerously unbalanced, akin to misaligned Tetris blocks. Proper load securing in accordance with regulations is critical to road safety. small pickup truck successfully extracted a heavy-duty truck from snow, demonstrating that even compact vehicles can be effective towing assets when properly equipped. The disruption was caused by a ruptured engine oil tank, which spilled fluid across the roadway, and highlights the importance of regular inspection of critical engine components. On November 5th, in Shuying District, the road between Xingye and Guizhou streets collapsed, forming a large sand-filled cavity, a stark example of infrastructure vulnerability requiring ongoing geotechnical monitoring. Although this roadway appears level, it has a significant incline. The excavator's inability to ascend demonstrates the challenges that hidden gradients pose to heavy equipment. The grain harvester was immediately rendered inoperative and towed for repairs, emphasizing that mechanical failures can occur without warning and must be addressed promptly. The female operator of a three-wheeler inadvertently drove into a roadside ditch, illustrating the hazards of inadequate visibility and the necessity of maintaining attention to road edges. truck's front tires sit higher than the rear ones, likely due to the uneven weight distribution caused by the excavator load, highlighting the importance of balanced loading. Continuing to drive a disabled vehicle to save towing costs may seem resourceful, but it poses substantial safety risks. Professional tow services are recommended. A wind turbine blade nearly intersected with a passing car, underscoring the need for strict controls in work zones and clear demarcation of rotating machinery. A concrete pipe fell unscathed from a height, demonstrating the remarkable durability of modern precast materials, yet also emphasizing the importance of safe handling procedures at construction sites. The red truck followed the white vehicle too closely on an incline, resulting in a near collision. Maintaining adequate following distance is essential, especially on slopes. A white sedan stopped on the highway to execute a U-turn, causing a three-car rear-end collision. This event highlights why U-turns in high-speed zones should be strictly avoided. A container mismatch between two trucks led to a rear-end collision. Proper coupling and spacing protocols are vital to prevent such awkward and potentially hazardous encounters.